how it goes here in the Tennessee Valley. Now, the summertime, we typically see hot and humid days, but tomorrow we're actually going to get a little bit of relief from the humidity. That's all thanks to a weak cold front that'll be moving through overnight and early tomorrow. But with that high heat and humidity today and a disturbance passing through, we did have a couple of showers and thunderstorms pop up, dumping some heavy rain at times. Most of the activity was across portions of northeastern Tennessee. There were a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in the Smoky Mountains just a couple of hours ago. But it was feast or famine when it came to rainfall totals. If you got rain today, well, you saw a lot of it. You can see just north of the Cleveland area picking up about a half an inch of rain, but look just west of Pikeville, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain, and that was the case for areas close to that Athens area and also over into the Blue Ridge Mountains. Murphy, just north of Murphy, picking up almost an inch of rain with those scattered thunderstorms earlier today. You can see it is quite active across the eastern 1/3 of the country. We have a cluster of showers and storms getting going near the Nashville area, I should say, just east of that cold front. Those are headed in our direction, but since they're going to be approaching as we get past sunset, I think a lot of that activity will be weakening, and that's what our computer model has as well. But behind this front, some slightly drier and less humid air is what I'm trying to say will be moving in behind the front and should be here as we head into your Sunday. So temperatures right now into the 80s for the most part. Rain cooled in Murphy though, 78 degrees. It's 84 in Athens, 85 in Cleveland, 87 in Chattanooga, and we're at 85 in Dalton, 86 in Fort Payne. Look at our dew points. They're in the 70s, low and middle 70s. When you see dew points in the 70s, it feels almost tropical in nature. It has been a very humid day, very muggy day, but as we go through your Sunday and Monday, you can see a little bit of relief as those dew points will actually be dropping into the middle 60s. So it's still going to feel humid out there, but it's not going to be quite as bad as today. And then those dew points will be on the rise. We're back in that very muggy category as we head toward the middle of the work week. So our computer model shows those showers and storms up toward Nashville weakening as we get closer to midnight. So an isolated shower storm possible overnight, but you can see there's not a lot of activity on the map here. As you're waking up early on your Sunday, I think we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. So I think you can leave the umbrella at home if you're heading to any of those early morning church services. And as we go throughout the day tomorrow, we're just going to be partly cloudy. It's going to be another hot day, but at least humidity levels will be a little bit lower than today. So overnight, a stray shower storm possible. Winds will be switching from the southwest to the northwest once that front moves through as temperatures drop into the 70s. Tomorrow, well, we're back in the 90s, but like I mentioned, a little bit less humid with highs in the lower 90s with mid and upper 80s in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Your 7-day forecast showing that we're slightly less humid tomorrow and Monday, and then the heat is on. Humidity will continue to rise as we head into next week. Look at those numbers, mid 90s as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Rain chances on the lower side those days. Rain chances look to increase by the end of the week as our next storm system moves in, and that could bring another cold front our way, give us some relief in the form of lower humidity levels as we head into next weekend.